G'day folks, you've come just in time. Look at that, we're stalking a herd of wild delicas. The beautiful, majestic beasts currently sleeping. But don't let that fool you. They're ferocious, four-wheel drive, tuned turbo diesel engines. Let's have a closer look. You know, I've heard for a limited time they might be on sale, and that sale might be dropping today. For that spirit, I'm gonna go mount one. Contain your excitement. Get on there, baby! I got ya! Oh, there we go! We're out in, cowboy! Nomadic Van's fall exhibition sale happening right now, folks. 10% off on vehicles for a limited time. We'll see you on the website.